Hello friends, hope you all were fine. Welcome to my video. In this video we discuss about how can we start our business on Amazon and the things which we need to start Amazon account. There are some there are few things which we need to create Amazon account in Pakistan. First, you must have an ID card or a passport. On second number, you must have a credit card. You also need to upload front and back image of your ID card. And the last thing which you need is that your bank account statement and some information about your birthday, store name, address, country name. Now we go to our computer screen and see how can we create an Amazon account in Pakistan. This is our Google screen. Now we see that is Amazon is Pakistan is registered on Amazon or not. So we type. Now we click on this. It may take some time. What Amazon is the world's largest brand marketplace. Here you choose your favorite product and order. Most popular logistics service, producing monitoring, trade assurance. What is Amazon seller list? An Amazon producing listing is the product page for each of the time which you need. Each of the item you sell on Amazon, it is a made up of the information you enter when you list the product, including its title, image, description, and wire. Is Pakistan in Amazon approved list? Advisor to the Prime Minister on Commerce, Textile and Investment Abdul Razak Daud said on Friday that e-commerce gained Amazon had added Pakistan to its seller list. Now we confirm that Pakistan is registered on Amazon, and next we see that how can we create an account on Amazon. Now we type here Amazon seller account, Amazon seller account, then press enter. Amazon seller central selling complete guide course. It may take some time. You can see the first preview, the best Amazon review and feedback tool, auto request review. Captain AMZ automatically request review in each of Amazon manage order page. Now we see how can we use, how to use. Just set up contain Amazon Chrome extension from Chrome extension store, then sit back. Captain Amazon will do everything for you. Now we see that how can we create an account on Captain Amazon. Login. Here we need to put our email address, name, then again email address, password. Here we also put password. Now we type our details. Now I click on login. Now you can see that the first preview of Amazon.in. Sell online, requirement to sell, grow your business, fees pricing, start selling, join FBA. What is the fulfillment by Amazon? Fulfillment by Amazon is an all-in-one solution to sell your product to Amazon customers. When you become an Amazon seller and use FBA, customer prefer prime products. Try FBA for free. Here you can see free type your product price on Amazon in easy ship is 100. Sell online. Requirements to sell. Requirements of Amazon from a seller. If you want to sell on Amazon in, you will need to access the Amazon Seller Central. You can do this by creating an account. It takes just 15 minutes and you need just two things to start selling. And we also learn in our next video that how can we create an account on Amazon. Why sell on Amazon? The people must want to need that why they come and sell on Amazon instead of other markets. Sell on India's most visited shopping destination. Make your product available to crowds of customers and business 24/7. Now I see that strategy and delivery. Your fulfillment options when an Amazon customer buys your product. There are three ways that you as an Amazon in seller can deliver the product to your customer. Fulfillment by Amazon. If you choose fulfillment by Amazon, Amazon will store, pack and deliver your product to your customer. Easy ship. If you choose easy ship, you will store and pack your product and Amazon will deliver it to your customer. Self ship. If you choose self ship, you will store, pack and deliver your product to your customer. Next, easy ship. Here you can see the details about easy ship, self ship. There are the some seller success stories on Amazon who succeed in selling. We ask our sellers why they choose to sell on Amazon. Women who mean business, brands who made it big, latest success stories, young entrepreneurs, global sellers, artisan handicrafts, from hobbies to professions, regional specifications, Read more success stories. Seller online successfully without investment. Zero to hero. An Amazon housewife mother and now a successful businesswoman. Selling traditional clothing. A successful business. Baimal found success online by selling leather products from farmer of north east of tables across India. 20-year-old shines as an entrepreneur, helping the weavers of Kerala with sustainable income. Online success with a startup idea. A dog food brand to a success story online. Viewers, please subscribe our channel and I hope that you much learn from this video. We shall meet in our next video.